Tired of Expensify's expense reports eating into your valuable time? Ever found yourself wishing there was a simpler way to manage your finances, one that didn't involve navigating what feels like a digital labyrinth just to log a coffee? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is king, and anything that slows us down, especially when it comes to money matters, can be incredibly frustrating. We've all been there, staring at a screen, trying to remember if that receipt was for lunch with a client or just your solo sandwich escapade. And while Expensify has been a go-to for many, its complex interface and sometimes overwhelming features can leave you feeling more bogged down than streamlined. Perhaps your team's needs have evolved. Maybe your business has scaled, and the features you once relied on now feel like overkill, or worse, they're simply not aligning with your current workflow. Or maybe, just maybe, you've discovered a new, more intuitive platform that promises to make expense management less of a chore and more of a breeze. Whatever your reason, making the switch can seem daunting. The thought of migrating data, informing your team, and navigating the administrative side of things can be enough to make anyone stick with the familiar, even if it's far from ideal. But what if I told you that saying goodbye to Expensify doesn't have to be a headache? What if there's a clear, straightforward path to liberation from those never-ending expense reports? Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to quit Expensify. And no, this isn't about dramatically deleting your account and hoping for the best. We're going to break down the process step by step, ensuring a smooth transition for you and your team. First things first, communication is key. Before you make any big moves, talk to your team. Let them know your intentions and the reasons behind the switch. Transparency will help manage expectations and ensure a smoother adoption of your new system. Think about the why. Is it cost savings, better features, or just a more user-friendly interface? Articulating this will help everyone get on board. Next, data. Before you even think about hitting that delete button, make sure all your historical data is safely exported. Expensify allows you to export reports, receipts, and other financial information. Don't skip this step. This is crucial for record keeping, tax purposes, and simply having a historical financial overview. Go through each report, download everything you need, and store it securely. Consider creating a dedicated folder on your cloud storage or an external hard drive for all your Expensify archives. Once your data is secured, it's time to consider your subscription. If you're on a paid plan, you'll want to cancel your subscription to avoid any further charges. Navigate to your Expensify account settings, look for the billing or subscription section, and follow the prompts to cancel. Be mindful of any notice periods or outstanding invoices. It's always a good idea to double-check the terms and conditions of your agreement. Now, for the actual departure. You have a few options depending on your role. If you're an individual user, you can simply close your account. If you're an administrator for an organization, you'll need to go through the process of deactivating your company account. This often involves removing all members, settling any outstanding balances, and then finally closing the main account. Make sure all your team members have exported their personal reports and cleared any pending reimbursements before you deactivate the entire organization. Finally, inform your financial team or accountant about the change. They'll need to know which platform you're moving to and how they can access new reports. This ensures a seamless continuation of your financial operations. And once all that's done, you can celebrate. You've successfully navigated the waters of quitting Expensify and are ready for a fresh start with a system that truly works for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.